A roundabout, also known as a traffic circle or rotary, is a type of traffic intersection designed to facilitate the smooth flow of vehicles and improve safety. It is characterized by a circular layout where multiple roads converge, creating a continuous and controlled traffic movement without the need for traffic signals or stop signs. Roundabouts are widely used in urban planning to manage intersections efficiently while minimizing congestion and reducing the risk of collisions. The fundamental design principle of a roundabout involves vehicles circulating in a counterclockwise direction around a central island. Instead of having conflicting streams of traffic meeting at right angles, as in traditional intersections, vehicles in a roundabout merge into the circular flow, yielding to those already inside. This merging and yielding process ensures a consistent flow of traffic without the abrupt stops and starts associated with signal-controlled intersections. One of the primary benefits of roundabouts is enhanced safety. Their design minimizes the risk of severe high-speed collisions, such as T-bone crashes, which are common at traditional crossroads. The controlled and continuous flow of traffic reduces the likelihood of high-speed impacts. Additionally, roundabouts tend to have lower speed limits, promoting a safer environment for pedestrians and cyclists as well. Roundabouts also offer improved traffic flow and reduced congestion. Vehicles enter the circular pattern at a controlled rate, and because they do not need to come to a complete stop unless there is conflicting traffic, the overall traffic movement is more consistent and efficient. This can lead to shorter travel times, reduced idling, and lower fuel consumption, contributing to environmental benefits. In terms of environmental impact, roundabouts can lead to reduced emissions due to smoother traffic flow and fewer stops. This is particularly advantageous in urban areas where air quality is a concern. Moreover, roundabouts often feature landscape central islands, enhancing the aesthetics of the surrounding area. However, the successful implementation of roundabouts requires careful planning and design. Factors such as the size of the roundabout, the number of lanes, and the entry and exit angles need to be considered to ensure safe and efficient traffic movement. Proper signage, lane markings, and pedestrian crossings are essential to guide drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. In conclusion, a roundabout is a type of traffic intersection characterized by a circular layout where vehicles navigate in a counterclockwise direction around a central island. This design promotes continuous traffic flow, reduces the risk of severe collisions, enhances safety, and contributes to reduced congestion and improved environmental conditions. As a modern and efficient traffic management solution, roundabouts play a crucial role in urban planning and transportation engineering, fostering safer and more efficient movement of vehicles while benefiting the overall community.